Wow, that is a great situation, you know. Jane saw some nut over there. This is the seed from the tree. I don't know what is called. Don't know what to call in English. She want to take it, but you can see her baby just come first, and she looked at her baby is delicious in eating. She did she did not come and chase her baby just for this food. This is the real situation of Jane. She is a really sweet mother. As you never know, you may see many mother monkey in the other video, even their own children, their own kid, they can fight or they can attack, they can defend just for food. But Jane, she is completely different from the other monkey. As I observe, the only one her can do this, and sometimes she can feed the meal with the same time for two baby. This is Jenna, one of us. I lost everything. I finished peanut and everything in my hand. Sorry. If you are a real fan of Jane family, you will see what happened. You will know what happened to the back of Jenna for few years ago. And this whole family come together at very close time to find the suitable place for tonight's sleep. And if you watch until here, I don't understand what the people just talking about the colorful video, and they say that this is a fake color. I tell you, this is not fake color. This is the real. You never saw video is in colorful like my video. I don't understand what you're talking about. Are those comment talking about the color of the video? Why the Jane she looks so red color on the face? I don't know. This is the color from the camera. Maybe my camera is too old. If those guys want to see that exactly is real, or maybe want to see the good quality, please send me a bug for my new camera. That's right. That's it. And I thank you for that comment. I don't mind that comment because this is the good recommendation, but I don't know what to do without. Yeah, this is from camera. It's funny that I saw that comment. Anyway, please give me some bug. I will change my camera to be the same the other as well. Yeah, two brother, sister, Judy and Jenna. Wow, I feel like they love this seed that I brought at the moment. This is the very good taste for the people as well. Wow, how big a belly. Oh no, that's just the leaf stuck on her tail. I feel that is the blood. Yeah, the time is coming. She have to find the right place for tonight sleep with a safe one, suitable, comfortable. And now she is going. Yeah, the whole family, Jane, Judy, Jenna and Judy, they are going to sleep together tonight. This is very happiness family. So say goodnight to Jane family and hope she had going to have a baby very soon. Yeah, one more friend just joining. Okay, thank you very much for following my channel, and also I'm very appreciate when you comment on my channel, and I'm very sorry that many comment that I cannot reply. I cannot reply all those comment. There are so much comment in my video. I'm very appreciate that you being here and support my video as well. And I'm sorry for anything that you think if I'm talking annoying you and you cannot hear or cannot understand what I'm talking about, and someone maybe don't believe me, and I'm sorry on that. Anyway, I just say my word from my heart. I'm very appreciate to see all those comments, even bad or good. Thank you. See you for the next video.